it becomes a very, very stressful, critical incident for everybody there.
Good evening. Tonight's big story, firefighters say they're facing major challenges when it comes to how they respond to fentanyl overdoses here in the Valley.
And not only are they getting hundreds of more calls, but the United Phoenix Firefighters Association says there have been cases of crews running out of a life-saving drug.
Team 12's Chase Golightly spoke with the president of that association tonight. And Chase, unfortunately, it seems to just be getting worse.
Mark, Rachel, since fentanyl started to take hold, first responders have seen more calls coming in every year for drug overdoses, and a key tool they use to save those lives is in short supply.
It hurts everyone.
There is no pattern. That's the problem with it.
The ongoing battle against fentanyl is a problem Phoenix firefighters deal with on a regular basis.
You can be on a truck on one day and respond 3 or 4 different fentanyl overdoses.
Brian Willingham is the president of the United Phoenix Firefighters Association. He says first responders are busier than ever responding to overdose calls.
We're projected to be just under 7,000 in the city of Phoenix alone.
He says they've seen an increase of about 600 overdose-related calls every year since 2019. And when crews respond,
we could have 3, 4, 5 people, literally all of them unconscious. It becomes a very, very stressful, critical incident for everybody there.
Having to use Narcan, a drug used to rapidly reduce opioid overdose. But a big issue, Willingham says, is with fentanyl being 50 times more potent than heroin. One dose just doesn't work.
They're so strong, we're not just pulling them out of their overdose with 1 or 2 dosages. We sometimes need several dosages, and oftentimes we can run out on a call.
Having to call for backup to bring more Narcan, losing critical minutes to save lives.
So if your respiratory system isn't working properly, you have literally minutes to fix that or remedy that problem.
Valley Rehab Facilities also seeing more fentanyl patients coming in. Garrett Kitchens with the River Source Treatment Center says they make up 40% of its patients. When asked how long this crisis will last, he believes it's here to stay.
Fentanyl will be the primary opiate, I think, for the foreseeable future. It's easier to get, it's more effective for the user. And so until someone innovates and finds a stronger fentanyl, this is what we're dealing with.
As for the Narcan shortage, Willingham says departments have started to order more ahead of time as these calls continue to rise. We're live in the studio tonight. Chase Golightly, 12 News.